Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today, special is a low mileage 2013 Ram Bighorn Quad Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number E1464A. Only 39,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. True blue in color. This Ram seats 5. Cloth interior. Seat bottoms flip up, giving you a flat cargo surface with additional storage space below. Power sliding window for extra ventilation. Not only low miles, but very clean, as you can see. No dents or dings in the body. Locking tailgate. Backup sensors for additional safety. And trailering package. Spray and bed liner for protection, as well as easy cleaning. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Bighorn has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Again, only 39,000 miles with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. 8-speed automatic transmission. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heating and air conditioning. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect those media devices. Hard keys below for the things used most often, and integrated trailer brake control. Lots of cargo space in the armrest, and dual glove boxes with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and slide. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter Hemi V8, 395 horsepower. Just as clean under the hood as you can see. K&N cold air filter. EPA fuel economy estimate standard is 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. For more information on this Ram, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.